Ready? Hey tubers!
Tristan here, Earthship.
Take 6.
Update 14th. And also we've been here for 3 months with not much outside work. So we're going a little bit stir crazy with this COVID-19. But anyway, onto the build.
So what we've managed to do on the lockdown, we've got the back of the Earthship now closed in. So that's Mini-Orb corrugation. That's all been riveted on, so it's so I can get it as sleek as we could. We've also got some guttering made up. We'll show you the profile in a minute. That's all laid down on the. Oh no, that's over there, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's one piece in the house.
There is a piece in the house. Okay, the carport side of the Earthship's now locked in. That'll be a new addition. This little column here.
Yeah, because the roof looked like it was just
hovering, floating, wasn't it?
Suspended.
Yeah.
In mid-air. So now we finished that edge off, so it looks tidy. We've still got some work to do on the bond beam, but that's all the decorative side much later on.
Yeah. Yeah. So that beam there, that's not actually in the engineer's drawing. I don't know why. It's obviously it's not needed, but to finish the wall off, we've got, instead of having a floating roof.
Yeah. Well, it just helps when you're in the carport. If we've got a southeasterly, instead of getting drenched with the rain coming in at that angle, we'll be nice and dry.
Ah. So we finished the ceiling as well, which we're very glad about.
Yeah, that was the longest stint, really.
That was weeks of pushing tech screws in to steel upside down. That wasn't the most fun, but it's done. We're really happy with it. Carport's there. You might notice a glass turned up the other week, last week. So we've also made window frames. What were you going to say?
No, go ahead. I was just going to take the camera from you so you can show the awning window that Tristan.
We made it. So we've designed a window and window frame to suit our specific needs. Our needs are to be able to control the window if the wind grabs hold of it.
And also to make it a locking system that if children do come in, they don't just open the windows freely. And any pinch points, that was quite a major factor, pinch points.
Yeah.
And that it looked good.
So now we're going to show you a mechanism that has like heaps of pinch points. Okay, so that's in the lock position. We haven't got glass in.
So these shuttles that he's lifting up are the locking system.
Yeah. So we've got 3 positions that it opens. We've managed to get a decent seal in there as well. All this is 25 by 25 angle. The whole frame, the static frames and these awning window frames are all made out of just angle iron. Everything here is made out of angle iron. So it's got 3 positions. In each position we can have a lock in, so if the wind rattles the window, it doesn't unlock itself. We're still working it out. And then it's locked.
Genius.
So we're hoping it's going to work. When I say work, not leak water. This is our guttering.
Oh yeah,
so here's the profile of our guttering for the back of the roof. And that's the profile for the front. And we had this bent up in 1mm thick steel sheet, so we're hoping to make a gutter that doesn't have any like brackets, which make it difficult to clean, because there's nothing worse than having gutters that are hard to clean. So that's where we're at the moment.
We put some Mini-Orb up on the west end side where the bifold door is going to go, above the bifold doors. So that's all closed in, that top part.
Oh, we've got some windows. There was a couple of windows in, but we'll show you that on the next one.
Yeah, the next video will be windows and guttering. But at the moment, yeah. So we've got 6 awning windows, 17 full-length windows. We'll have 3 panels in there that won't have glass in, that will be blocked off, and that's that.
There you go.
Hope
Update.
everyone's keeping safe, and hopefully the next video will come a little bit quicker than 3 months.
No.
But we're not very good at it.
No. Right, well, take care, guys. JURIEN Bay.